This is a new aerator that goes on your bathroom faucet and it changes color depending on the temperature of the water. It's easy to install and it's less than $10. Look at the link below, but let me show you. Let's put this on. What you want to do is remove the old aerator by twisting it off. The great thing about this new one is it comes with an adapter if you need it. Put the adapter on. And you can hand tighten this. No need to use a wrench. Once you turn the water on, usually the blue color will indicate that it's cold water. That's what it's going to start out at. So what you want to do is wait for the color to turn green. That is the perfect hand washing temperature right there. So you can always tell your kids that green is good. Kind of like green means go. So always look for that. And the more pressure you put on the faucet with more water flow, the brighter it gets. Now, be careful. Once it starts to turn red, tell your kids not to touch the water. That means it's over 110 degrees and it's too hot. Perfect solution so that they know when they stick their hands under, it's going to be too warm. If it's blinking red, it is scalding hot. That is definitely a no-no. Stay away from that. The greatest thing about this is the safety. Again, teach your children, if it's red, don't touch the water. Green is the perfect temperature for washing, gets rid of all the bacteria and viruses off your hands. You can look in the description. I send you a link for it. You can buy it off Amazon or you can get it at a local hardware store if they sell it. If you like what you see and want to see more tips around the house, go ahead and subscribe.